Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with LC. Today I'm going to show you how to make my slow cooker chicken tinga. Guys, this is a favorite family recipe. Everybody loves it. You guys will enjoy it too. On a heat level, I would say it's about a 4 out of 5, but I'll show you a couple ways to turn down the spice if that's not something that you prefer. You can use about 3 to 5 chicken breasts. Today I'm using 5 because I've got a house full of people, but again, that's up to you. So go ahead and start with 2 fresh jalapenos, and you want to make sure that they are completely seeded because that is just going to kick up the spice. So take out all the seeds out of your jalapenos and go ahead and give them all a nice little dice. And then once you have that diced up, you're going to go ahead and add that to your crock pot with your chicken. We're going to use a fresh chopped onion. I'm using a white onion here, but you want to make sure that you use the whole thing. So go ahead and dice that up really finely. And then once that's all diced up, you're going to add that to your crock pot as well. Once you're done with your onion, you're going to go ahead and place in your dry seasoning, and to this you're going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground oregano, about 2 cloves of minced garlic, and then I used about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. But again, this is going to be to taste. So as your chicken is starting to cook, you're going to want to taste that, and if you need to add more salt, need to add more pepper, go ahead and do so, but let's just use this as a starting point. I use 16 ounces of tomato sauce. Again, if the spice is too much for you, later on you can go ahead and add more tomato sauce to cut down on that spice. And then we're using a can of chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, and again, if it's too spicy, use a little bit less, but this just gives it a really good flavor. So go ahead and add your chipotle chili peppers into your mixture and give everything a nice little toss. So I'm just going to stir everything around. We're going to place the lid on, and I ended up cooking this on high for about 2.5 hours, and then I'll check back in with you guys when that's all done. Okay, so it's been about 2.5 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the chicken out, and then you want to shred it. I just like to use 2 forks, use whatever method works best for you to shred your chicken. But go ahead and shred all of your chicken, and then as you're done with that, you're gonna wanna place your chicken back into the juices, and you're gonna wanna give everything again a nice little mix so that the chicken just really absorbs all of that flavor and it gets all of the juices in there. So shred your chicken, place it back in, and then we're going to cover this back up. Again, we're going to cook this on a high heat for about another hour, hour and a half. And here is your chicken tinga. As you can see, it's gonna have some really great juices in there. The flavors just absorb beautifully together, and this just creates an excellent meal. My favorite way to use this chicken tinga is on some tostadas, but as you can see, you have the juice in there. It's just yummy, and it packs so much flavor. So I like to pair it with some bean tostadas, and it's just amazing. But again, pair it however you like. Don't forget to comment if you guys give this a try, and like for more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.